These are trees up in La Cresta, California, October 13th, 2010. Here we are back on or still on this oak tree. Zooming in on my brother up there in the boom truck.
The other brother.
Hello, this is Don of These Are Trees. We're taking down this oak tree. It's about 150 years old. It's got some trunk damage. It's torn up at the base, as I showed you before in the video. We're slowly taking it down. We have a couple obstacles. We have the road, of course, and then we also have this wall here that we need to take it down safely. The association is taking all the wood and the chips and using it around their homes and roadways. So give us a call. These Are Trees. I'm going to take one. Hey, can I have my helmet? Chris.
Which one do you want here?
That one right there.
This one?
The one right there with the ISA logo on it.
You want to keep rolling while you cut this?
Go ahead and turn it on. Yeah, I just need to talk if you want to.